Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. All the sisters and brothers, peace be upon all of you. Short video just to make you listen to the Cpig predicting an earthquake. The prophet of the pigs, the prophet of the Christian pigs, predicting an earthquake. Earthquake where in Turkey. He's upset because a church has been transformed into a mosque. So he made a sacrifice of 3 books. He said for free, his garbage books. His garbage books. Yes. Cpig is mad, and Cpig, the prophet of the pigs, is predicting an earthquake in Turkey. When, Cp? When? Let's listen to the pig.
We heard the news about the filthy Erdogan, the savage, filthy member of a crime organization called Muslim Brotherhood. He announced, for sure by using his fake judges, to transform one of our great churches into a mosque.
It's a decree.
Now all of us, we knew that those,
Dummy.
the Turkish Ottoman, they don't belong to that land. All this land is our land.
Oh yeah?
And it's just a matter of time and we will take it back.
Oh.
It took us more than 2,000 years, or maybe less, to take Jerusalem back.
Where's your Holy Spirit?
1,400. Will not take longer. I see a big earthquake coming to Turkey. A big disaster. Economic disaster. A physical earthquake. This country is doomed. And today, because it is Hagia Sophia Day, I announce that I give 3 of my books for free.
Sacrifice.
One is in Malay language.
Garbage.
The second is in Russian. And the third
Trash.
is in Albanian language.
Poops.
And this is in memory of our beloved church, Hagia Sophia. We will have it back, it's just a matter of time. And those who took it, they will be so sorry. History cannot be forgiven. Criminals, they shall pay. Erdogan is going to go to the garbage of his own country. And actually I saw a lot of comment, even from Turkish people, who they are very upset and they are afraid of the consequence of this decision. But for me, I see some positive things in this decision. Europeans, they were so stupid for long. And now they can see that Turkey cannot join the European Union, ever. So if the price is a building in order to save Europe, that's good. However, the building will come back.